A lot of fun, and we've had amazing people. We've been really lucky to have amazing vendors and partners, including Service Credit Union. Woo! Ekman Construction. We've got Fuss and O'Neill. Oh, Market Square. They were next on the list, and I totally skipped over them. Thank you. There is Adam. It's like he was out here somewhere. And many, many other vendors and partners that are too numerous to announce. I wanted to give you a quick rundown about the property. We have this beautiful food truck patio where we'll start to be doing events Thursday nights and Friday nights, so be looking in the news for that. We have a distillery under construction back behind you, and that rolls down into an amphitheater stage so that people can come here and see outdoor live music. In the building, we've got 61 apartments, 6 Airbnbs, and 20,000 square feet of commercial space, and the first four-season food truck food hall in northern New England. So all year long, we'll be able to host these food trucks and create that ecosystem. On the property, we've got a dog park, a Make Your Mark program, and my favorite program that we have going on is the Artist in Residence program, and we have our first 2 artists in residence visiting with us today. We've got Kwon and Anthony Young, and they'll be here to chat with anybody that would like to know about their artwork or about the work that they're thinking about doing right here in Manchester, New Hampshire. And without further ado,
thank you, Liz, and it's so great to be here with all of you. And one thing I'd like to just mention, as we all know, we just went through a difficult 15 months. And Liz persevered through that, and here we are today opening up this amazing building and opportunity for the city of Manchester and the residents and visitors that we'll have here in the city. I can't thank you enough. I know we've all said that, but it really is incredible what you've been able to bring to the city of Manchester, your vision in identifying what we need, what people want, and then implementing. And so we're grateful for you and for your team and what you've done for the city of Manchester. And like Mike said, look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.
3, 2, 1. Fate